Your search for the perfect student accommodation in Houston ends at Altitude Houston. Offering a diverse range of shared apartments with private rooms, this residence is a perfect blend of comfort and privacy. Each room comes with a large window, plush beds accompanied by side tables and ample storage space. The spacious bathroom includes a shelving unit for storing all your essentials. The kitchen is well equipped with appliances such as a fridge, cooktop, microwave, and more. After a long day of classes, unwind with a refreshing swim in the pool or take a serene walk at the courtyard's social sundeck. Speaking of the location, Altitude Houston is a popular choice among students from Texas Southern University and Rice University. Explore nearby food options like Alfreda's Soul Food and the Taco Shack food truck. On weekends, explore the city by visiting sites like the Houston Museum of Natural Science or the Water Wall. You can also easily commute to new places as bus stops like Old Spanish Trail are a short walk away. In the vast state of Houston, find your home at Altitude Houston by booking your stay through amberstudent.com.